Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syah Zehan Rafi Hasibuan, and today I will explain about understanding conditional sentence type 0, 1, 2, and 3. Conditional sentences are a fundamental structure in English grammar that allow us to explore cause and effect relationship, hypothetical situation, and various possibilities. The if clause, this part introduces the condition or premise. The main clause, this part states the result or consequences of this sentence, help us express a wide range of ideas. Example, if it rains, we get wet. So, type 1, the zero conditional. The zero conditional is used to describe scientific facts, general truth, or things that always happen under specific conditions. The structure, if plus present simple, both clauses use the simple present tense, highlighting the automatic and consistent nature of the results. Example, if you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. This sentence illustrates a scientific fact that is always true. Next, type 1, the first conditional. The first the first conditional is used to talk about real and possible situations in the future. It describes events that are likely to happen if a certain condition is met. Structure is the structure is if plus present simple, will plus base verb. The if clause uses the present simple tense even though it refers to a future conditions. The main clause uses will followed by the base form of the verb to indicate a future results. Example, if it rains, we will stay home. This sentence implies that rain is a real possibility, and if it occurs or happens, staying home will be the direct consequence. It deals with real possibilities and their likely outcomes. This type of conditional is commonly used for planning, making promises, or discussing potential consequences of action. Next is type 2, the second conditional. This conditional describes hypothetical or imaginary situations that are unlikely to happen in the present or future. It about would it about what would happen if the things were different. The structure if plus past simple, would plus base verb. The if clause uses the past simple. Example, if I won the lottery, I will travel the world. Winning the lottery is unlikely or like impossible, making this a hypothetical scenario. The second conditional is perfect for expressing wishes, giving advice, or imaginary scenarios that are contrary to current reality. It allows us to explore alternative realities. Type 3, the third conditional. Exploring past regrets and what ifs. The third conditional is used to talk about unreal situations in the past and their imagined results. It's about hypothetical scenarios that didn't happen and their consequences. The structure, if plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. The if clause uses the past perfect tense, while the main clause uses would have followed by the past participle. Example, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. This sentence implies that the person did not study harder and did not pass the exam. It's a reflection on a missed opportunity or a different past outcomes. This conditional is essential for expressing regret, criticism, or discussing how different past action might have led the different results. So the summary here, the type 0 if plus presence. The example, if you touch fire, it burns. First conditional, if plus present will. If she calls, I will answer. The second conditional, if plus past would. Example, if I were rich, I would buy a car. Third conditional, if plus past perfect would have. Example, if they had left earlier, that would have arrived on time. That's all that I can explain today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.